What's up, my people? A-bleezy Jackson here again with a quick video about my 5S mining site. Unfortunately, right now the server is down. And you cannot get current updates on where you are with your Bitcoin progress. This could be to a number of things. This could be to server overload. This could be to site maintenance and a few other things. So I will keep you guys abreast of what's going on. As soon as I get an update, I will give you guys an update on, the progress of the site. 71 days, as you can see at the top, server runtime. 71 days of site service. So I'm pretty sure this is a server overload issue, but we shall see. It was online today, January 15th. Looks like at 5:07 GMT. I think that's Mountain Time, Central Mountain Time or something like that, but actually it's Atlantic Time. I believe they're located in Iceland or something like that. But either way, I'll keep you guys posted on the progress of what's going on with 5S mining. This puts a little monkey wrench in the machine of the 200 gigahash per second free that they were giving everybody. But we shall see where this goes in the near future. I will keep you guys posted. I will be checking pretty much every hour to see if the site is back up and running. I don't recall seeing anything on the site about site maintenance, so I'm pretty sure this is a server overload. They're probably expanding the server now. So we shall see. Until the next video, people, live and love life for all. Peace.